Hello, hello, hello. It is your girl Brandy, and I am back, Creative Selections, with a great DIY for you guys today. I hope you're excited because I am super excited about this one. I decided that I wanted to save money on household products, so I've been on a kick to try to go natural and to try to just save money where I could. So I've been just doing little odds and ends like making my own all-purpose cleaner, and my own window cleaner and my own oven cleaner. And so now I have come to dishwasher tablets. I have an amazing DIY for you on dishwasher tablets. It is so easy, it's so amazing, and I know that you're gonna love it. And it saves you money. Who wouldn't want that? I know. I'm so excited about it. I can hardly contain myself. Guess what? The best part about these dishwasher tabs is there's only 3 ingredients. Just 3 ingredients. You guys are going to love this, and I am so excited to show you how you can do this DIY. If you're excited and you want to know how I make dishwasher tabs with just 3 ingredients, I want you to keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, because guess what? It's going to be amazing. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends, because this is going to be something that is phenomenal and will save you lots of money. I'm so excited about it. Keep watching. Tabs may swell a bit during the drying process, so you do not need to fill the cups up all the way. Leave a little room at the top so that they can swell and then you can press them down. Look how beautifully these turned out, guys. I let them dry overnight and then I just popped them out and I tucked them in my airtight container. The tabs made about 42 pieces and they fit in the dishwasher tab compartment, and you use one dishwasher tab per load. Just for giggles, here is a dirty load of dishes from our dishwasher, and I am going to try our new tabs. Here is the bottom rack of the dishwasher. And this is the bottom rack of our dishes after the tabs. Oh my goodness, they did so great. And here's the top rack. Amazing. I am in love with these tabs. Well, family, that is it. These tabs are absolutely amazing. If you try them, comment below. Until next time, God bless.